Neo Hair Lotion. It is a simple and easy 3-step process. Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion is a safe product made of natural ingredients which do not have any side effects. Using Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion properly is very important. 1. Shower and clean head scalp. Make sure your head is clean. Wash your head before applying Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion. 2. Pre-massage and comb. Gently massage your head with fingers for 2 to 3 minutes. Then comb or brush your head, even if there is no hair at all. 3. Spray original Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion made in Thailand with Paradise International General Trading LLC logo on the box. Directly spray Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion into the roots of the scalp. Make sure the whole head is covered and wetting Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion. Precautions and safety tips for best results from Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion. 1. Do not use any other hair products with Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion. 2. We advise to use only baby shampoo for washing head for the duration of Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion treatment for hair loss. 3. You can wear caps, helmets or even go under the sun after applying. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes after applying for the liquid to be absorbed into roots of the scalp. Do the same process for 2 times in the day. Using Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion in the morning and evening has the best results. Green Wealth and Paradise International General Trading LLC wishes you a speedy hair regrowth. Shop original Green Wealth Neo Hair Lotion made in Thailand online at
www.Hallasouq.qa.